I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook smothered pork chops. First, select your pork chops, ideally about 1 inch thick. Season them well on both sides with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the chops for 3 to 4 minutes per side until beautifully browned. This initial sear locks in flavor and creates a fantastic crust. Once your chops are seared, remove them from the skillet and set aside. Now, it's time to build that rich, flavorful gravy. Add 1 sliced onion and 1 bell pepper to the same skillet, scraping up any brown bits. Sauté these vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for 1 minute to create a light roux. With your roux ready, gradually whisk in 2 cups of chicken or beef broth until the gravy is smooth and lump-free. This creates the perfect base for our smothered chops. Carefully return the seared pork chops to the skillet, ensuring they are nestled into the gravy. Cover the skillet and let it simmer gently on low heat for 30 to 45 minutes, allowing the chops to become incredibly tender. After simmering, your smothered pork chops should be fork tender and bursting with flavor. Before serving, taste the gravy and adjust the seasoning with a little more salt and pepper if needed. These delicious chops are absolutely perfect served hot over creamy mashed potatoes, fluffy white rice, or even grits. Enjoy this comforting and hearty meal with your loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.